we also conduct survey every 2 months. Last survey conducted in July among 17,000 respondents also had data about migrants and about small and marginal farmers. Although Narega is not the savior of migrants, many people say, but it is important to say it that only 7% of the migrants who had returned to the villages were working on Narega. Likewise, the data about the Rabi procurement was not a great one to write home about. I think only 25 to 27% of our respondent farmers sold their crop in Rabi to government procurement centers. Viju will correct me if I'm wrong. I think only 40 to 45% people only knew about MSP, minimum support price, and I think 60% didn't get it. Why the RCRC is bothered about doing these webinars? We want to bring the issues of public concern to fore, enhance the knowledge and awareness by bringing very distinguished panelists like we have today and hear their views and organize the panel in a very balanced fashion so that we get to know the story from both sides. The previous webinar we did was on new education policy. Again, we had a very balanced panel. Today, we have a very distinguished panel. We have Pravesh Sharma ji, who's known not only now as an ex-bureaucrat, but as an actionist. He's हमारी जमात में शामिल हो गए. He's the founder, CEO of Kamtang, and he will tell the story. We have Kavita Kuruganti, who's known for the Kisan Swaraj movement. We have Mekhila Krishnamurthy, redoubtable academician and researcher. We have Professor Sukhpal Singh, whose book I have read and learned so much about in the FPOs. Now, I would just want to, the second purpose I was saying is one is knowledge, second is action. We would be failing in our duty if we don't draw lessons as to what we can go out and do in the community. So all of us in civil society, including those who are members of the RCRC coalition, waiting with bated breath to learn from all four of you as to what we can do, particularly for small and marginal farmers, tribal farmers, Dalit farmers, women farmers in rain-fed geographies. Not that we are not any concerned about farmers in Punjab and Haryana or on those in the irrigated areas, but nonetheless, our focus would be to learn about our farmers in the rain-fed geographies, including central Indian belt, where tribals are in large numbers. I was looking for some poem as I tried to quote every time, and I found to my delight of Maithili Sharan Gupt as a tribute to our farmer who is the biggest entrepreneur. And today he or she faces the issue of climate change. And let me read it. बाहर निकलता मौत है, आंधी अंधेरी रात बाहर निकलना मौत है, आंधी अंधेरी रात है शीत कैसा पड़ रहा ओभर थर थराता गत, तो भी कृषक ईंधन जलाकर खेत पर हैं जागते, तो भी कृषक ईंधन जलाकर खेत पर हैं जागते, ये लाभ कैसा है न जिसका मोह अब भी त्यागते। मैथिली शरण की ये कविता ये बताती है कि कितनी मेहनत से, कितने परिश्रम से हमारा कृषक आज हमारे लिए अन्न पैदा करता है। 1966-67 में जब लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ने देखा कि हमारे पास अन्न नहीं था, अकाल था, और अभी मुझे याद है मैं तीसरी या चौथी क्लास में पढ़ता था, वो लाल रंग का गेहूं का बोरा एक हमारे हेडमास्टर के कमरे में पड़ा हुआ था, वो उसकी रोटियां हम खाते। उस समय की डिपेंडेंस से लेकर आज हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं फूड में, ये अन्नदाता का ही कमाल है उनकी। सो विद दिस ट्रिब्यूट टू आवर फार्मर, I would like to thank all the members in the audience to come and listen to this webinar. And I want to thank all my distinguished panelists and friends, and hand over the charge of this webinar to Apurva Ojha and P.S. Vijay Shankar, our own dear Viju. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ved.